Look at the night sky. We are told the universe is expanding. But pause for a second. Expanding into what? Is there a wall at the edge of the space? Is there something outside of it? If this space is everything, how can everything get bigger? The answer to this question isn't in telescopes, it's in a hotel, a hypothetical hotel created by a German mathematician named David Hilbert in 1924. And today, we are going to solve the biggest problem in astrophysics using a simple thought experiment about room allocations. It turns out the universe isn't expanding into anything, it's just playing a trick with infinity. Let's build our model. Imagine a hotel with infinite rooms. This is critical. Not a large number of rooms, infinite rooms. There is no last room. And tonight, the hotel is completely full. Someone is staying in room 1, room 2, room 3, forever. A new guest arrives. In a normal hotel, you would say, no vacancy. But here, the manager does something strange. He doesn't build a new room. He doesn't kick anyone out. He gets on the intercom and says, guest in room 1, move to room 2. Guest in room 2, move to room 3. Everyone from room N, move to room N plus 1. Because there is no last room in this hotel, remember that this is an infinity hotel. Everyone moves, and suddenly room 1 is empty. The new guest checks in. Think about what just happened. The hotel was full. We added a guest. The hotel is still full. We created space where there was no space. Now, hold that thought, because things are about to get cosmic. What if an infinite bus of new guests arrives? The manager can't just shift everyone by one. That takes too long. Instead, he says, current guests, move to your room number multiplied by 2. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 6, and so on. Suddenly, all the infinite odd number rooms are empty. The infinite bus unloads and checks in. We just doubled the population of an already full hotel without building a single new room. So why am I talking about hotels? Because this is precisely how our universe works. In the 1940s, physicist George Gamow used this exact analogy to explain the Big Bang. Let's relabel our terms. The hotel rooms are positioned in space, coordinates. The guests are galaxies. Imagine the universe is infinite. It has infinite space, infinite galaxies. When we say the universe is expanding, people imagine a bubble growing inside a larger dark room. But that's wrong. There is no outside. There is no dark room. There is no outer boundary. The hotel is all there is. So how do galaxies move apart? Simple. It's due to the manager, the dark energy. It isn't a force pushing the galaxies. It's a rule the coordinates follow. Just like moving a guest from room 1 to room creates a gap in the lobby, stretching the metric of space creates new empty space between galaxies. The universe isn't expanding into anything outside of itself. It is doing exactly what Hilbert Hotel does. It is creating rooms between the existing ones. This solves the paradox. Where is the universe expanding into? The answer, nowhere. It's just shifting the room numbers to create gaps. It implies that space isn't a physical stuff that runs out. It's a mathematical coordinate system that can always be divided further. Up till now, the hotel has been a model, but like all models, it has limits. In the hotel, the room numbers are discrete 1, 2, 3. You can count them. In the real universe, the space is continuous. You can be at a position 1, 2, or 1.5, or 1.555, or pi. This leads to a scarier level of infinity called uncountable infinity. If we tried to assign a hotel room to every single point in space, the Hilbert Hotel would break. It's not big enough. The mathematician George Cantor showed that infinity comes in different sizes. The total number of points in space forms a larger infinity than the count of whole numbers. But that suggests something strange. Our universe may be more infinite than the infinite hotel. It means the vast gaps between galaxies aren't truly empty at all. They are richer and more complex than the galaxies themselves. We started with a simple question: how can a full universe get bigger? We ended up realizing that full and empty are just human words that don't apply to the cosmos. The universe doesn't need more space, it just needs new room numbers. So, next time you feel cramped or stuck, remember the Hilbert Hotel. Limitations are just illusion of perspective. There is always room for one more. You just have to shift the coordinates. Thanks for watching. If you want to see what happens when we go the other way, to the smallest possible slice of time where shifting becomes impossible, watch this video on Planck limit next.